In this video, we will look at the global name feature of WebFocus Designer, which offers a quick and easy way to link control selections between pages. To activate the feature, simply populate the global name field in the Properties panel for the filter controls that you want to link. You can enter any text that makes sense to you. In our example, we are assigning a global name to the region and dates controls. Notice that dates is a combined control that consists of from and to controls. In case of combined controls, only one global name value can be assigned. Once you are happy with your content and filter controls, name your page and save it in the repository. Now we will build a second page with the identical controls. To save time, we will use the Save As option to create a new page and then replace the content on the canvas. Make sure your controls have their global name property populated correctly. Rename your page, save your edits, and exit WebFocus Designer. Now let's test the global name function at runtime. You can put both pages in a portal and see how the global name feature helps you sync the control values. To learn more, visit the WebFocus knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.